Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. As you can see, there is another appliance. This is crazy, dog. Let's see. What model is this? GTW460ASJ5WW. This is a older model. This is a little older model. Wow. Another washer. It's crazy. 3 appliances in a week. This one's a GE. Wow. It's crazy. This is an older GE. Wow. I'm not getting this one, guys, but I am gonna take some of these parts in here though. I'm gonna take the hose, the drain hose, and the hoses, because the other one that I fixed will take the same hoses and the same drain hose. So yeah, I'm gonna take all of that stuff. Wait, that's crazy, y'all. Another washer. Wow. Well, I just want to give you guys a heads up. There's another washer. A GE. Wow. It's crazy. And it's from the same people too. Well, that's all I gotta show. So yep, that's that. So just wanted to show you guys another washing machine in the garbage. So yeah, that's all I got for today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. But yeah, before I head off, this machine's also taken apart, so I don't know what's up with that. There's something wrong with this one too. I don't know. I have no idea, but yeah, this one's apart too. So anyways, that's all I got, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till next time, peace out.